guys, this is how to. Today I'm going to show you a game that I love called Isle of June. I play it a lot. Now, you can see other people's islands. So this is my favourite one. Nice. It's Harry Potter. So I'm going to like it. Now you can just basically make anything. Now, this song is pretty popular, so if you haven't heard it, it's called Good Night by Black Eyed Peas. Play it on Spotify, it's amazing. And this sounds exactly the same, if you haven't heard it. Now, you see this car over here where my mouse is? Now, that car is soon going to get on the road and it's going to play the main music. It's just the intro music. So as the car goes around, you can see when it will go. 3, 2, 1. Now, it takes a lot of time to do this. Unlike some ones, let me just find it. This took 1 minute. Where it literally takes 1 minute. But some are really popular, like Beat It. It's a really popular song. So by the way, this game is called isleoftune.com. YMCA. There's a place you can go. I said, Super Mario Bros. Now, I don't play Super Mario, so I don't really recognise it, but I'm sure some people out there do recognise it. But you can also play there's just so many songs. But today I'm going to make my own, which is going to be quite bad. You can also get loops. This is my favourite loop ever. Now, to play the music, you put a car down and press go. Sounds nice. Also, you can get like wood circle. That's a nice one. And you can only have 3 cars on at a time, so also a rebound beat. I don't know what that is, but okay. So this sounds really nice. Now also, I'm just going to make a completely new one. So you can make it with roads, and then loads of trees, loads of plants. I like plants. I think the ones on the corners don't do any good. Now, to erase them, you get the eraser and just press on it. Now you can hold down and drag where you want for it to work. There we go. So now, if I put a car down, it'll work. Go. It doesn't sound too nice, but then when you click on them once again, you can change the sound. But it can sound quite bad. So comment below what you've come up with. Just comment any designs you've come up with. I have time to see all of them. I'd love to see them, and I'll try and respond back to them. I'm just going to bulldoze everything. There we go. You can also put like houses and make a whole city, but of song. So it's a very fun game. Now some houses can make very weird sounds. I'm going to keep it like that. Then that. Then you put a car on. What could go wrong? So, yeah, that's Isle of June. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and please do really comment your stuff. Now you can also change it to like different themes. I don't know how to do that really, and I don't know what that does, but you can change it. And that's keyboard mode. Oh, so also you can press the stamp button, and you can put yellow houses wherever you want. Alright, that sounds horrible. Just come up with something. I'm going to name this town How To. Hope you enjoy. I'm sharing it as well, even though it looks terrible. There we go. So there it is. Also, turn it off. Don't go over the things, and yeah, that'll just pain your ears. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. See ya. Please like and subscribe.